Hello, friends. Welcome back to the Veridian English podcast. I am Jane. Today's shadowing practice has 3 parts. Each part grows a little more challenging. Listen to me, repeat after me, and let your voice follow the rhythm, the flow, and the feeling. If you're ready, let's start with part 1. Part 1. Beginner English. Simple sentences. The garden is green. Now you repeat. Birds are singing. Now you repeat. The sun feels warm. Now you repeat. Flowers open in the morning. You repeat. A cat sleeps under the tree. You repeat. The air smells fresh. I walk very slowly. You repeat. I see a squirrel running fast. The grass is soft. A child is skipping with a rope. The tree sways in the wind. The tree sways in the wind. Butterflies fly around me. The sky is very clear. I wave at my neighbor. He smiles back. He smiles back. I pick up a leaf. It is smooth and bright. My heart feels light. Part 2, Intermediate English. Connected details. As I walk around the garden, I notice many little things. Some flowers are red. Some are yellow, and a few are blue. The bees are busy moving from flower to flower. I close my eyes and listen to the morning sounds. I close my eyes and listen to the morning sounds. Birds, the wind, and someone laughing far away. The garden path twists between tall bushes. I follow the path and take deep breaths. I follow the path and take deep breaths. Under a big tree, there's a bench where I like to sit. An old man waters his plants while humming a happy tune. An old man waters his plants while humming a happy tune. His dog follows him everywhere. His dog follows him everywhere. A little girl waves at me as she runs by, holding a shiny red ball. A little girl waves at me as she runs by, holding a shiny red ball. I wave back and she giggles. A gardener sweeps fallen petals from the path. Every step feels peaceful here. I feel safe and happy. Walking in this garden makes every morning better. Part 3. Advanced English Natural Flow Story. One Saturday, I decided to spend my whole morning in the garden. I brought a notebook with me because sometimes ideas come when I'm surrounded by nature. Nearby, a young couple spread out a blanket and unpacked a small breakfast. The park slowly filled with energy. Friends gathered for walks, some to jog, and several to take photographs. I sat on my favorite bench and opened my notebook. I wrote a line and laughed at my own imagination. Soon, an old friend joined me. We talked about memories from school, we watched the clouds, and enjoyed the cool air. The hours passed softly. Before leaving, I closed my eyes, took in the gentle sounds and scents, and thanked the garden for a beautiful, happy morning. Well done, my friends. 3 steps, simple sentences, more connected thoughts, and then a natural story. Practice, repeat, feel the rhythm, and let English become a part of you. Thank you for shadowing with me today. Until next time, keep believing in yourself and keep practicing. Goodbye.